Hello, good morning, guys. And so today I'll be showing you how to set worship on piano SX700. All right. So when you on your piano, okay, the default voice that appears, okay, is this voice, concert piano. Okay. Okay. So the first thing, I'll come to my right part. Okay. So if I go to my right part, I have right one. If I press right one there, this is my right one. Okay, see, I come to what they call grand piano. Okay, yeah, that's my grand piano. I select grand piano, that's right one. I go to right two, I press up. Okay, I go to what they call dick. Let me see. No, I go to right two. I take yeah, choir part here. Select the voice first. I come here. I take dark fat soul. Okay, so when I take it, I come here, activate down. Okay, I activate it down here. All right, so this is my grand piano without the part. All right, now, so if I add the part, okay, you get the feeling. Okay, it'll be different. All right, you get, so it's like dual. You also have dual two voices. Right now, you can even add probably another voice here. Okay, like probably you can add a voice like yeah, saxophone. Okay, but now you must not activate it. Okay, you can keep it. Why? When playing, you can activate it and play the saxophone differently. Okay, so if I don't have a sustain pedal, okay, so what I do, I just press sustain here. Okay, so it gives me this feeling. Okay, another thing that I want to show us on this piano is kind of this on this multi-part control. Multi-part control, you take select. Okay, when I take select, if I take select there, okay, let me put it up a bit. Okay, when I take select, okay, take me here, and I press this arrow up. Okay, I take a percussion one shot. Okay, when I take it, I turn to two. Okay, when I take two, I select gun and shine. Okay, when I select it, okay, I come to this part select. Okay, when I press this two, all right, give me this feeling. And so each time I will be playing it, okay, I will always play that feeling there. Okay. Okay, guys, so when you do that, okay, this is what you feel, okay, when you play. Okay, so this is it. I can play. Okay, so you see, so when I do that, I play that multi-part control. It gives you that sweet feeling. Okay, you can also use what they call live control. Okay, on this other button here. Okay, so I'll try to increase. If you look your screen, I'm increasing it. Okay, so I'm increasing a bit. So when I play something, okay, now increase it. All right, it gives me that feeling. So that's another way to make your worship to be spicy. Thank you for watching. Do it to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.